Alright, what's good, y'all? Oh yeah, we live. Welcome back to ZIAH'S Life. Hey y'all, what time is it? It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Look what we got. Look what we got. The 4th of July, hey. Fuck no. It's the 4th of July, previews.
Oh, that's the...
You already know.
Oh, my man about
We
to
got
do
the
it.
full...
My man about to vlog it. My man about to vlog.
4th of July
Vlog.
previews, man.
That bitch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing on this episode?
My fucking hair.
Hey, what are we doing?
Hey,
Better blow some shit out.
Yeah, we about to blow some shit up, but y'all get a little preview of the jigger shit. You hear me?
Alright, better play that joint.
Play that.
Keep the light on
music. Hey, bro.
so they can see me.
You see this on YouTube. This is a fucking preview of my mixtape. I don't know what it's called yet.
Y'all got me out here looking goofy.
Right, my man.
I gotta put my wig on.
Can't go outside.
I gotta put my fucking wig on.
Yeah, bro, we got Kobe 8 in this bitch. Hey, look at Kobe 8 real quick. This is your first. Hey, the first look at Kobe 8. First look at Kobe 8. And second look at Jigga. But yeah, then we got little
already
Zion.
know the fleckities, you know. Got them motherfucking fat crackers in the back. So, nah.
Alright. How you work this now?
Yeah, this is a warm up. 4th of July, this better be wild. We better have Roman candle fights, all that. All that. All that. But listen to his song.
How do you feel this song?
Yeah, Drake. Then get it cranking. Alright, go ahead.
Nigga, don't, hey.
Hey, slow down. Hey, hold it. Hold it. Alright, hold on, nigga. Hey, I want to light it. It's gonna take some time.
Why would you throw it out? Oh, why would you throw it out? Oh, you
gonna throw it out that one. This is out window.
Throw it, nigga. Oh, throw it.
Ah, what? Get the fuck. Oh, shit, we got a feds, but they about to call, they be like, it sound like gunshots. I ain't doing the dash. That was just the first one. We got like 3 more. Yeah, that was just the previews. 4th of July. This is the warm up. Give me how many likes? Give me 1,000 likes and I'ma light one at 7-Eleven. Nah, I ain't doing that for 1,000. But I don't care. I don't care.
You can't imagine what summer.
Oh, I wouldn't.
Nah.
Shit, nah, they gotta give me some. They gotta give me some likes for that shit.
Chicken and a medium fry. We don't have any chickens right now.
Damn.
Hi.
Let me get a large napkin.
Bro, fuck that, bro. Come on, bro. Go to the oven McDonald's.
Large.
Thank you now.
Yeah, we don't want y'all. Fuck y'all.
Oh.
We don't have
Cold.
Oh yeah, we put up to the oven Mickey D's because the oven Mickey D's ain't have shit. What you back at?
You better get Kobe 8.
Kill. Me chicken. Y'all gonna roll down my window?
Hello?
Good looks, man.
Hello? Oh, yeah. Did I get a McChicken and a medium
Yeah, I
fry?
can get it. If you don't gotta make chickens, I'm gonna be sick. It's
Hey,
bad.
hold on, one moment.
Get a large water.
Alright.
That man said a large boiled egg.
1846.
Yeah, that nigga should doing that. And he heard me say, fuck you. I don't give a fuck. Bro, we teed up tonight, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. Niggas working on that music. I'm about to get my man Kobe 8 right.
Kobe.
Kobe 8.
Cold fries.
Put in their head. I'm on the ground, I've been fucking them up. Pulling her heat, smacking her back.
That window? Or these
No.
So.
Knock on the window.
knock. Yeah, knock.
No reaching ass.
You dumb as you try to reach out that bitch.
Excuse me.
I think probably go that one.
Yeah.
Murder,
They probably like, you dumb as shit.
She got them guns from Persia.
Like, this nigga stupid.
Oh, what the fuck?
Wow, John.
Damn.
What? Oh, man.
Niggas
Oh, man.
fucking in the back. Hurry the fuck up.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Oh, man. What the fuck? Let me get 25. Oh.
Dang, we been here
Hey,
like
bro.
20 minutes and
Hey,
shit.
bro. Dude.
Hey, should I blow their ass up? They been taking too long with our food. We was waiting like 20 minutes. Should I blow their ass up? Hey, should I blow them up?
Hey, bro. Could we get some sweet and sour? And could we get some cookies? Could we get some cookies?
Cookies.
Why? No, let me get some. Nah, for real. We do need some more sweet and sour.
He not fucking with you, boy. He said, no.
You just gonna have to do
No.
that.
You can't go in there, bitch. It's fucking bad.
Yeah, boy, it's like 2 o'clock. You just like can't go in there. I'm on the ground, I've been fucking them up. Putting their head, smacking her back.
Them Jamaican niggas be on deck.
I got her face right now, man. It's plug. See that? Where we at? Throw y'all L's at. Me and Lago.
Yeah, St. Barnabas Road.
Lago Town Center.
I'm about to run this red light.
We're from Largo Town Center. We're not from Largo Road. We're from Largo Town Center.
So you live in the center, in the back of this subway? Well, it ain't even the subway, but I'm tripping.
I'm sorry.
Hey, wish I like this next one.
Come
This
on,
ain't not
bro.
trying to go on my. It's not trying to fit in my nose. I gotta get a thumbnail.
What is a thumbnail, fool?
The first drinks that people see before they click your video. Watch this.
Everybody got a thumbnail.
I'm about to clickbait the fuck out y'all.
Everybody got a thumbnail.
That funny as shit. He funny as shit.
I be like, blew my ear off, like shit. Almost blew my ear off.
Blew the car up.
Like shit. Nah, I ain't about to OC it like that.
Oh, bro, you missed the fucking turn, man. It's like,
I think you can go this way. Damn, I can't like no firecrackers. 12 right there. 12 right there. But we better go on 7-Eleven.
I ain't gonna cap.
This is my twin. To the what?
Oh, sorry. Had me weak.
Oh,
He
oh,
said
shit.
diarrhea in his drawers, though. Uncle Tom said.
Boy. Nasty.
Uncle Tom.
Oh, yeah. Look at that dick going in his mouth. Oh, shit. Damn. Fuck that.
Kobe, you gonna be like Lil Uzi. I'm not gonna be like Lil Uzi. Don't be like Lil Uzi.
Don't be like Lil Uzi.
Yeah! Yeah!
Nah, motherfucking.
It's
It's only my 3rd day out here.
It's only my 3rd day out here. I don't know.
That drink?
Only my 3rd day out here.
That nigga's a little kid.
Not for real, fool.
But I haven't had this drink in a minute. This drink sweet as shit. There's a him on you. There's a him on you.
Hey, let me get some.
What? drink oil.
What else you have?
I had make chicken. I was like, what the fuck you asking me about make chicken?
Fuck up, boy. If I ask you, I ask you.
What?
That McDonald's went in his body and said, "Get me out of here! Get me out of here!" Around.
Oh, no. Here you go. Sorry, bro, for your papers and all, but yeah. Oh.
I thought somebody.
Yeah.
Nah, bro. It was too many papers in there, bro. They just about to burn.
Wait, what'd you do?
I put it on the. No, I put it on the papers, bro. But I had to take it out. Yeah, it was on these papers inside his mailbox, and I had to take it out because they started burning. Oh shit. But alright, y'all, that's pretty much it. You know, I might do another vlog tonight. We about to go to they try and go to this little abandoned, this little I don't know, it's creepy though. Like a little house type something, I don't even know. But yeah, that's it for this one. You know, it's like July 3rd right now. You know, that was a little something. I'm gonna try to post this today. And then my 4th of July vlog or whatever I do, that's ain't about to be fun. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. You know, follow me on all my social medias, add me on Snap, and all that. Alright, y'all.